Today's sewing DIY, I am going to show you how to install an invisible zipper. First, I mark 3/8 of an inch from the top edge of the zipper. Next, I mark the seams. Then I am going to mark where I want the zipper to end. I also mark the fabric. So this dress has a 5/8 of an inch seam allowance, so I place the zipper tape along that allowance. Right sides of the fabric and the zipper are facing. And I will repeat the same thing that I did here, so I basically move the zipper tape on the other side. Right sides of the fabric and zipper tape are facing. This is why I like to mark the zipper. As you can see, it's super easy to match it up. And if I didn't mention earlier, you should iron or press the zipper just to make it nice and flat, and you can easily open up the coil. But be careful that you do not melt the zipper teeth. Be sure to test it out before you actually sew it. Then I'm going to stitch along the edge, and I will be using an invisible zipper foot for this. I am sewing it on the outer fabric only. Once we completed that step, it's time to finish the back seam. Match the right sides of the fabrics, and I'm going to flatten the zipper, as you can see, as much as I can, and I'm also going to sew as close to the zipper end. Be sure that you stay with your seam allowance and it is straight to avoid the fabric puckering or like bunching at the back. Time to deal with the lining, so I pulled it out and I'm going to fold it back in and encasing the zipper. Be sure that the seams are open when you do this. If you're not adding lining to your garment, I think you should, because it just makes the dress looks professional and it just feels nice against the skin. I repeated the same to the other side. And if the seams doesn't match up, don't worry about it. This is going to be the inside of the dress and no one is going to see that. Then I'm going to stitch along the edge as close to the zipper as I can. Trim off the corners if you want, but I'm actually nervous to do that. And this is what it should look like. As you can see, it is nice and neat inside the dress. Now it's time to close the back seam of the lining. And this is the finished dress. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!